We're going to troubleshoot the import error, no module named pymongo error. This error means Python can't find the pymongo library, which you need to work with MongoDB databases. Let's go through the steps to fix this. 1. Verify pymongo installation. The most common cause is that pymongo isn't installed. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip list. This command lists all the Python packages you have installed. If you don't see pymongo in the list, you need to install it. 2. Installing pymongo. To install pymongo, use the command pip install pymongo. Make sure you're using the correct Python environment. If you have multiple versions of Python, you might need to use pip3 install pymongo or specify the path to your Python installation. If you encounter permission errors, you might need to use sudo pip install pymongo, Linux, Mac OS, or run your command prompt as administrator, Windows. After installation, try running pip list again to confirm pymongo is listed. 3. Virtual environments. If you're working on a project with a virtual environment, recommended, make sure you've activated the environment before installing and using pymongo. Activate your environment using the appropriate command, for example, source mynv/bin/activate on Linux Mac OS, or mynv scripts activate on Windows, replacing mynv with your environment's name. Install pymongo within the activated environment. 4. Path issues. Sometimes Python might not be able to find pymongo even if it's installed because your system's path variable isn't configured correctly. This is less common with pip installations but possible. If you suspect this, check your path environment variable settings. You may need to restart your terminal or IDE after making changes to the path. 5. Incorrect Python version. Ensure you're using the correct Python version. If you have multiple Python installations, the pip command might be installing pymongo for the wrong version. Double-check that you're using the correct Python interpreter when running your script. 6. Typographical errors. Carefully review your import statement in your Python code. A simple typo in import pymongo, for example import pymongo, will cause this error. Make sure the casing is correct. 7. Proxy servers. If you're behind a proxy server, pip might have trouble downloading pymongo. Configure your pip settings to work with your proxy. You can usually do this by setting environment variables like http_proxy and https_proxies. 8. Firewall or antivirus. In rare cases, a firewall or antivirus program might be blocking the installation of pymongo. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if this resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable them afterward. If none of these steps work, providing more details about your setup, operating system, Python version, how you installed Python and pymongo, the exact error message, and relevant parts of your code will help diagnose the problem further.